Hi third grade artists, and happy Earth Day. Today we're going to create a mobile using recycled materials. Around my house I found an empty water bottle, some plastic tops to old salad dressing containers. I'm going to use a Sharpie and also a stick that I found in the yard. We're going to create a mobile kind of like the artist Alexander Calder, and I'll show you a picture in a second of mobiles that he created. I'm also going to use dental floss to hang these pieces of plastic that we're going to create. Please remember, if you don't have any of these materials, use whatever you have. You can use paper and markers or crayons or colored pencils. Okay, I'm all ready with my materials. I found a plastic top from a salad dressing container, so I started cutting the circle out. I have 3 of those. I have a water bottle here, which is really cool because you can use the top of this and cut out a circle. You might need a parent to help you with that. Cutting around. Okay, you could do some sort of a shape like this after you cut it out. I also found some plastic cups like this, and you can also do the same thing and cut down and cut a circle or whatever shape out of this as well. See? But I'm going to work with the plastic pieces that I already have, and you could do as many as you want, and we're just going to draw some designs on them. So on this first one, I'm going to draw a tree. I'm going to try to do this quick so I'm not taking too long. Just color that in. I'm using Sharpie markers. Watercolor markers may work, like the Crayola. Okay, and I'm just going to put some trees, a little tree here, because remember our mobile is for Earth Day. So we want to make some images that reflect the earth. And a mobile is when you take some things, whatever objects you have or drawings that you made, and you attach them to something and have them hanging. It could be a hanger, it could be something else that you draw and you connect it all together and they just hang from it with strings. Okay, so there's one of my tree. I'm going to take another one and I'm going to draw the earth. So I'm going to start with my land. And again, if you don't have any of these materials, you could just use paper and cut it out. Just drawing land for my earth. Okay, and then I'm going to color the water. This is great too that it's plastic because it's see-through. So when I hang it up against the window, the light from the sun will come through and it'll kind of look like stained glass. It's a cool recycled mobile. Okay, my earth is done. And then for my last one, I'm going to use recycled symbols because we are recycling. So what does that look like? That's the arrow and it's curved. I'm going to turn it and do it again. And I'm going to do that again. Okay, and I'm going to color that in. Let's see if the pink will work. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so now I have that done. I have my stick that I found outside, and now I'm going to take my stick, I'm going to take my dental floss, because I don't have any other strings, see my dental floss, and I'm going to tape the string, oops, to the back, where'd you go? I'm going to tape the string to the back of my plastic pieces. Okay, so here's one. See that? Put some tape on there. You could poke a hole if you have a hole puncher. Okay, so there's one. Okay, let me get another one. I'm gonna tape that to my tree. Oops. Okay, and then I'm gonna tape one more piece to my earth. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape it or tie it to my stick, and then I'm going to hang it. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll be back and I'll show you the final product. Don't forget to send me a picture of your work. Thanks, bye-bye. So here's the finished piece. I have it on a stick, and here's my plastic pieces hanging from dental floss. And I just took a picture of it in the window as well. Unfortunately, it's raining, so we won't be able to see the sunlight shine through. But don't forget to send me a picture of your work. Thanks, bye-bye.